Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Mark here, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of a Bulova watch. What kind of Bulova is this? Well folks, if you must know, it is going to be a Hack 1 movement, if I'm not mistaken. Specifically, what is it related? If you see the title, you already know what it is, because right now, it's Veterans Day. That's right folks, Veterans Day. Salute to the veterans who served our country. That's right. Salute to the veterans, everybody. Salute. And also, let me know in the comments, did any members in your family served? Heck, nobody in my family served. Not even someone from my parents' side of the family or my relatives. Nobody that I know of. And this particular one would be a Bulova 98A255 Hack. H-A-C-K. And it was released on December 9 of 2019. And here it is, folks. Sleeves, box slip cover-esque. Same thing in the box, very shiny and gold. Yes, nothing special around here. Open it up, and here it is, folks. This is the model that you're about to see. And here is the setting instructions and warranties. Whoa. Jesus, man. I gotta be careful with this. I gotta leave it somewhere soft. Instruction settings and among other things. Here's the logo, the tuning fork, and it's also the same logo in this. You see that? That's the tuning fork, folks, directly from the Accutron model that we got like so many years ago. Here's the watch itself. 98A2555. Bulova, baby. So yeah, and it's got like some sort of a leather-esque strap or leather rubber strap, whatever you call it. And yeah, this was around the time during World War II, served our country, and among other things. So yeah, I'm taking it off. Magazine dome fireglass. Strap. Okay, let me just take this off. Okay. Japan mechanical movement. And the band is made in China, but let's be clear, this is a American-made model. Yes. There's the serial number. Bulova, baby. Bulova. Bulova. So yeah. Whoa, it's similar to the one you've seen before. And you could change straps. And let me get my trusty caliber for the lug width. But also look at the design, man. You got white numbers, red markers right out here. Let's see how the loom glows at night. Maybe if it doesn't, I'm just gonna leave it to you plain and simple if it doesn't have loom. And nothing special on the band. Just admire this watch, dudes and dudettes, and all you young BUCKS's, young bucks, and young guns. Young guns. So yeah, let's see the size of this watch right here. Come on now. Okay. 37.3. The 15.2, actually 15.3 millimeters on the thickness. Now let's see how big is this crown. 6.8 to be exact. And look at that, dudes and dudettes. Ladies and germs, it's the tuning fork logo. Bulova's tuning fork logo. Oh, rad. And let me see how the lug width is. Let's be clear, it had to be measured between here and here. So it's about 18.0 to be exact. Let me just check it again. Yeah, 18.0. So yeah, you're gonna need to, oh, sorry about that, folks. So let's see how it looks on the Sparky wrist. The count of this is indeed a okay. So this is how it looks on my wrist. Depends on how big is your wrist. But it fits fine. It fits very well. So yeah, how many holes did it fit to get to the point? Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 holes. And that's how it is. So yeah, one more view. Amazing, isn't it? So yeah, folks. Among other things, this is indeed a magnificent watch, and it's inheriting to the roots. You can't resist that, folks. And you see Bulova. Very magnificent. But also, let me show you how you wear a watch, or obviously you already know how. I'm gonna turn it differently. You can also wear it upside down. Alright. So yeah, folks. One more view of this watch, and it's on to the music. Alrighty. Music time. Music time. Let's go. Alrighty. So we're going to be playing a song from 2019. It's called Soul by DJ Quads. Quads. Enjoy, folks. There goes the same from my soul. My soul. That was DJ Quads with Soul. So yeah, tell me guys what you think about the music, and also tell me what you guys think about this watch, and also what you guys think of 2019. So yeah. And among other things, what else? So yeah, let's give one more. Let's give a shout out to the physical media collectors, the toy collectors, the watch collectors, the autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there. And especially let's give a shout outs to my subscribers. You know who you all are. Shout outs to you guys. Also, if you like content like this or other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified when new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups. Having opinions related to the content, comments down below. So yeah, and plus I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I post a certain video at a certain time, whether it be around noon, afternoon hours, I would post, or early in the morning, I would post what time I'm going to be posting the video at a specific time. So yeah, afternoon or early evening hours. So keep an eye on that, folks, so you don't miss anything. And what else? Oh yeah. Salute to our veterans. So yeah, folks, salute to our veterans, to those who are serving our country. Happy Veterans Day to you all. So yeah, just to say salute to our veterans. So y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy Monday, and happy Veterans Day. Later, y'all. And salute. Later.